Hi team, Robert here from Hirepool. We like to think we're the experts when it comes to trailers. Whether you're carrying a boat, caravan, or even a trusty homemade trailer, we have a few simple tips to get you going this summer. First off, check the warranty fitness and the radio to make sure they are current. Secondly, check the condition of the tyres. Are they correctly inflated? Check the manufacturer's tag if fitted for the recommended PSI. If unsure, a good ballpark figure is between 45 and 55 PSI, while boat trailer tyres may range between 50 to 60 PSI. Then, check for signs of perishing, cracking, or any signs of damage. That's cuts, impacts, cracks, bulges, and irregular wear. An important note is to check the tread depth of the tyre. The minimum tread depth in New Zealand is 1.5 mils of tread for the tyre. Using our NZTA tyre checker, we can see that this tyre is good. If it is in the red, that is a fail. Also, don't forget to check the spare tyre as well, making sure it's secure and it's in good usable condition, and we've done the thorough checks that we previously carried out. Now we're going to do a full check of the bearings. First, jack it up, lift the wheel off the ground, and give the wheels a shake. This is from top to bottom. We will also do this side to side, checking for any movement that might be present, and by spinning the wheel. You can feel this by placing one hand on the leaf spring and spinning the tyre with the other hand. What we're checking for here, see if there's any binding or resistance of the wheel, and any vibration that may be produced by the wheel bearing. While checking the tyre, it also pays to check all the wheel nuts are tight. The next thing to check is the trailer lights, starting at the lead itself. Ensure all the pins are there, check there's no sign of damage, exposed wires. If there's any corrosion present in the plug, we'll use our contact cleaner. This is especially important if you're spending time around salt water a lot. Once free of corrosion, check that the trailer lights are working. Checking the indicators, park lights, brake lights, and the registration light. For more serious issues, anything you're unsure about, please see your local trusted garage to make sure the job's done properly. Hope these tips have helped you get road ready this summer. Hirepool, the smarter hire.